This video is all you need to start your dropshipping business on Etsy from AliExpress. Now, I've been dropshipping for a very long time. I would say like 5 years or 6 years. Um, and what I learned is every platform is very, very different. Now, for example, if you are dropshipping on eBay, like this store, I just created this store yesterday. As you can see, I already have like 4 sales, and I'm dropshipping from AliExpress. This is eBay, by the way. This is not Etsy. Like on eBay you can like list every product you can find, basically every product. You just need to find winning products, okay? But with Etsy it's very, very different, okay? So what I want you to focus on is the products, okay? Because that's 80% of the battle on Etsy, because you can't just list randomly. You can just go to AliExpress and then list products randomly, okay? You have to find handmade products that you can list on your Etsy store. So the first thing you need to do, now I'm going to go to my Etsy right now, and I'm going to click on the store. As you can see here on Etsy, you will not be able to find anything that is electronics. Uh, that's the difference between Etsy and eBay. On eBay, you can just find many, many, many like products. There is no limit. There is no limitation. No rules. But on Etsy, you have to focus on handmade products. As you can see, if we click on this product, it's selling for like $30. And as you can see, this product is very, very simple. Now, this product, you can sell it. You can dropship from AliExpress to Etsy because it looks like it's handmade. It does not look like very, very professional, that Etsy thinks like you are just like breaking the rules of Etsy, because Etsy does not allow selling professional products. It only allows you to sell things that you can make at home, gifts, like decors. That's exactly what you can list on Etsy. Now I'm going to go to AliExpress, okay? So on AliExpress, there is no limit. You can just find any product, and that's the problem. You have to focus on finding products that looks like handmade. Now what I'm going to search for here, I'm going to search here for jewelries. I'm going to click on enter, and as you can see, when you click on jewelries, you will be able to find a lot of listings on Etsy. For example, this one. You can also find necklaces. You can find basically every single thing here that is related to handmade products. As you can see, this looks like it's handmade. It's not very, very, it doesn't really need a company, something big to create this product. It's very, very simple. As you can see here, I'm going to search here, for example, for necklace. I'm going to search for jewelry necklace, and I'm going to scroll down. And as you can see, there are a lot of necklaces here. Now, you can also see here custom. It says here custom name necklace. So it looks like it's handmade. They don't have this in stock yet. When you give them the name, then they are going to add it here. Now, you can find this exact same product with custom names on AliExpress. Like whenever you receive an order, you can go to AliExpress, tell the seller, hi, I have purchased this from you. Please add this name to this necklace, and then they will do that for you. That's exactly what you need to do, because this looks handmade. Now I'm going to show you what I mean exactly. Now as you can see, this is the product. You can find this exact product on AliExpress. Just right click, and I'm going to click on search goods on AliExpress by image. By the way, this is just an extension. You can just download it. Just download on Google. Just search on Google for download or search for product by image on AliExpress, and then you will find this extension. Now I'm going to click on it right now, and it's going to take me directly to AliExpress. Now on AliExpress, I will be able to find the exact same product. Now I'm going to click on the product right now, and I'm going to show you that it's the same. And the only difference here is the price. He's selling it for $13, but on AliExpress, it's only for $2. So that's a big different price. As you can see, $2. Also, you also custom, by the way. You can just give the seller the name, and then you will add your name here. As you can see, the same. Actually, like I've noticed, even the title is the same, like custom name necklace. Now when you go here, custom name necklace, basically is dropshipping from AliExpress, and that's exactly what you need to do, and there is nothing wrong with it. Now the problem here a lot of people face is they are listing products that are very, very like professional. Like for example, Apple um AirPods, for example, like selling speakers. you cannot make speakers at home. So that's the problem, okay? And Etsy focuses, like I said earlier, on handmade products. So listing products like this is very, very profitable, and also there is no risk to getting banned on Etsy, because if you just list random products, like I said, not handmade on Etsy, your account will get banned. So that's the limit of dropshipping on Etsy. Like I said, I showed you how to find the products, okay? So what you need to do now is just to list the product on your Etsy store. By the way, you can just use item specifics, um, just like the seller on Etsy, because these are proven to work. As you can see, the highlights here, materials, as you can see, sterling silver, press, and the chain style cable, can be personalized, as you can see, made to order. You can just do the exact same things. Like also the description, you want to copy it from the seller on Etsy, because these keywords are proven to work on Etsy. People are searching for these keywords on Etsy. Also the title, you can take it from Etsy seller. Okay, the title, the only thing you are going to download from AliExpress is images. Now I'm going to show you an extension that you can use to download images from AliExpress. Just search for download AliExpress images, and then you will be able to find a lot of extensions that will help you do that. Now you can use one of these extensions, like this one, AliSave. And then after you download it, you will be able, whenever you click on the product on AliExpress, you will be able to see this button that says download main images. Now when you download images, then you can create a listing on Etsy. Very, very simple to do that. By the way, I do dropshipping for a very long time. I can help you dropship. You can just send me a message on Instagram. I can take your store from 0 to whatever number you want, okay? I'm very, very experienced with this dropshipping thing. Now this is my own Instagram account. Also, if you want to dropship on eBay, just send me a message on Instagram. I will help you or do everything for you, okay? I will take your store from 0 to $10,000 a month, $15,000 a month, okay? By the way, you can have a lot of stores, and then you can take each store to $10,000 a month. So imagine you have like 10 stores, $10,000, that's $100,000 a month, and it's very, very possible. So you can send me a message here, and then I can take your store from 0, basically do everything for you, or provide you with full mentorship, so that you can grow your store and then change your life, okay? So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment, so just let me know in the comments your questions. I try to help people achieve their goals with their businesses. So you can send me a message on here on YouTube, or you can contact me on Instagram. This is my own Instagram account, okay? So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, like I said, comment below. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.